Okay, so today the project is to give a little bit of a review on this project as a whole. So this is for my media industries class, and essentially our project was to discuss different aspects of media and economics, how they relate, what brings them together, and all that kind of stuff. So essentially I definitely have a lot of opinions on this, but I liked it. Overall, I thought that it was a great project. I really liked that each individual person could focus on, say, a different company or a different aspect. Like if some person was really interested in sports, they could look at sports media, or if they were really interested in, let's say, reality TV or the Kardashians or whatever. Those are all different aspects of it that you can look into. Another part that I liked about it was that it was actually a video. You know, as art students at the university, most of what we do is essays. We write and we write and we write, and everything is so polished and perfected and eloquently written that sometimes I feel like we forget that it's okay to speak in a stream of consciousness. So that's something that I really enjoyed. Definitely when I say stream of consciousness, there's obviously you research things and you take notes down and you're speaking from those notes, but also at the same time, it's excellent because you can just speak freely, and I found that really awesome. It's nice that it was weekly assignment because it really felt like I'm actually learning the stuff, rather than just say, okay, so do your readings or you won't pass. In this case, you actually have to hand something in, and that's something that I've had in other classes of mine that I have also really enjoyed. Having weekly assignments really helps students to engage with their work, which is excellent because if I am not given a task, then oftentimes I simply won't engage with the work. Now, because I'm particularly interested in this field of work and this subject, it was a little bit difficult for me. One thing that I didn't like about it was that it had to be public videos. So what I would have preferred was to just record the video, have all the same parameters, you know, same assignment exactly, but just have it sent directly to the professor and the grading TA. This is simply because I actually do work in the industry and I do have a lot of connections, and I'm really I was very conscious every time I spoke on this assignment to make sure that I wasn't crossing any boundaries, saying anything that would offend anyone. Oftentimes, opinions leak into assignments, and I just would have preferred for this to be, rather than a public assignment, for it to have been just a personal thing where we could send it in as we would with an essay. Oftentimes, these kinds of things are very personal. For example, if I were even to be writing an essay, I wouldn't necessarily want all my friends and my parents and whatever to read it. But in the case of this assignment, if I post something, everyone can see it. So that was one thing that I would definitely prefer to change in this assignment. Overall, it was a great assignment in itself. Just wish that it hadn't had to be a public assignment, public videos on YouTube. Yeah, and that's it.